Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Beauty of Language. So today in this video we are going to master the exact format of notice writing for ICSE class 10th. Okay, so the notice writing, as you know, that it usually carries 5 marks and there is much confusion among students regarding the format of letters also. So I have uploaded a video on the format of formal letter and informal letter as well. Please do watch it and let me know in my comment section if you want any further clarification about it or not. Okay, so notice mostly students get confused at where to leave the line, whether to make the box or not, and also many of you requested for it. So here we are with the format of notice writing. Also, one very important thing, that this format which I'll be discussing is format 1. You can follow the other format also, the format 2, which is prescribed by the board. I don't want to get you all confused, so I have discussed only one format. So if you're following the other one, then please go ahead with it. And just in case you don't know about any of the formats, या ये भी नहीं पता कि इसके और भी formats है, then this video is exactly for you. एक format देखो, set it in your brain and go with the same in the exam. Okay? कोई confusion नहीं, कोई doubt नहीं. So, what is a notice? First of all, it is a short and formal announcement. The language is very formal. ऐसा नहीं कि कल छुट्टी है बच्चों, मजे करना घर पे. No. It is a formal writing where you have to use proper language. Okay? Very few lines are there, but still it carries a lot of precision it needs a lot of precision to write the notice. In the exam, it must be boxed and it usually should be around just 50 words. If your format is correct, then automatically your marks is secure. Now let us understand the marking scheme first. How are those 5 marks distributed in the notice? So the title carries 1 mark. Okay, the title needs to be very catchy, that grabs the attention of the reader, the examiner. The heading, that is very easy, that also carries 1 mark. Date, time, venue. Date carries half marks, time carries half marks, venue carries 1 mark, and the message carries 1 mark. So it's a total of 5 marks. Okay. Now, what you need to keep the things in mind is, first of all, the box has to be made. No confusion in that. If you are confused, then please connect with your respective school teacher. As far as I'm concerned, I will suggest that please make the box. So the notice has to be to the point, since it is written only in 50 words. So make sure you write exactly what is asked. No idhar-udhar ki baatein. Stick to the word limit. Make sure the instructions are very clear. So notice is always written in third person. Please keep this in mind. No first or second person. No I, we, you. And follow the same order. Since I am discussing the format 1, so follow the same order, that is date, time, venue. Date, time, venue. It goes like this. And no leaving lines between these 3, date, time and venue. You'll understand it better when I show you a sample notice. Okay, just hold on. Also, it will appear one after the other. Okay, so going with the format, follow this fixed order. First of all, box. As far as making the box is concerned, make it at last after finishing your notice. Okay, and then draw a neat box around it. ये नहीं कि पहले ही बना दिया और कंटेंट के लिए स्पेस ही कम पड़ गई या बहुत ज्यादा स्पेस रह गई. Okay, so boxes needed to be made, but make it at the end. Draw the box at the end. Next is title. So just as I said, give a short, catchy title. Okay, interesting title. 2-3 words maximum, because this heading, as I said, it is to grab the attention of the readers. That is why it has to be very creative, and also it should be centered and clearly hint at the टॉपिक. ऐसा नहीं कि आप कुछ और टाइटल डाल रहे हो और आपकी नोटिस किसी और चीज के बारे में. नहीं, इट शुड बी रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक, कि आइडिया लग जाए कि अच्छा देखो जरा व्हाट इज द नोटिस अबाउट. Next is heading. So leave a line and then write the heading. Now this heading will be the one that will be mentioned in the question itself. Okay. It will help in giving the information to the readers that what the notice is about. Keep it again centered. It is format 1. So, title, heading, these two are centered, and then again leave a line after it. As I said, I'll show you a sample of how to write it. Don't worry. Then comes the date. Then don't write the date on the left or the right, since the title is centered, heading is centered. Then leave a line and then write the date. That will also be centered. Use a proper format, that is on 17th March 2026. So no punctuation at the end. And please keep in mind that the date which you will mention here will be the future date, that is the date on which it will be held. You will have to think practically in this one, okay? I said 17th March, you can use any other date. March I said, okay? Keep in mind I said March. Don't write 17th February, okay? Because date, this notice is to announce a particular event mostly. So that event will be happening in the future. अब ऐसा नहीं कि आज का डेट लिख दो आप, एग्जाम वाली डेट लिख दो, नहीं. That happens in the letter. In the letter you write the date of the examination. In notice you choose any future date. Okay, any future practical date. अब 30th February लिख दो तो वो नहीं, उसमें मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे ना. ठीक है. Then without leaving a line, what comes next? Date, done. Then comes time, date, time, venue. Remember, ये तीन चीज. Date, time, venue. Then comes the time. So without leaving a line, you have to write the time. And also, yes, I forgot that you have to add that preposition on, that's date. Okay, on has to be there. Then in time, you will have to again use the correct preposition. That is from whatever time you want to write there. Again, practical time. अब ऐसा नहीं कि you write 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. No, from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Okay, right, like that. And from, F will be in capital. Again, I am telling that make sure the preposition is correct, because wrong preposition again will lead to mark deduction. Then comes what? Then comes venue. Then again, without leaving the line, you will write the venue using the preposition at. Okay, you are telling the readers no where the event is going to happen. So you'll have to write at, which will be mostly in your school only. If not, then go through the question and see where you can practically hold the event. Okay, mostly it is school only. So if it is your school, then write the name of your school or organization. Again, everything properly centered. This is format 1. Again and again, I am reminding you all. So after writing the title, heading, date, time, venue, then comes the body of the notice. Okay, so after writing the time, date, time and venue, you will leave a line and then start the body of the notice. Now body is again, it's just of 2-3 lines covering the details like who can participate or who should attend, why you are holding this, okay, purpose or just registration, contact, all these things. Keep the tone informative and objective, no extra stories, no fancy language, okay. Keep it within 50 words. As I already said, avoid contractions. Contractions, you understand? The short forms like can't, don't, no, cannot, do not, okay? And include only the relevant details. That's it. Format perfect, marks safe. So, this is the sample notice which I have written, okay? This is the question that the school is organizing an inter-house quiz competition. Write a notice informing students about the event and selection criteria. Okay, this is the question. Now, how to write it? So, I have given the title of this notice as Brain Battle since it is quiz. So, Brain Battle. Simple, short and sweet. Then, the heading. Simple, inter-quiz competition. That's it. Inter-house quiz competition. That's it. Then, the date, I have chosen the date 25th March. On 25th March 2026, I have chosen the time from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Then at Mount ICSE school. Okay, I have written that school name. Then the body of the letter that the school is organizing and what is asked in the question? Informing students about the event and selection criteria. So these two things have to be included in the notice. See how I have included. The school is organizing an inter-house competition. Students of class 6 to 10th may apply. Selection will be based on a written screening quiz that is to be held on 22nd March 2026. See, the competition is to be held on 25th. So I have chosen the selection date before 25th, 22nd March. Okay. Interested students must submit their names to their respective teacher by 20th March 2026. Okay, keep this in mind. Keep all these practicality in mind that on 25th you have the competition. So on 22nd there will be a selection. Those who want to participate, they will have to give their name in advance, right? So by 20th itself, you give the names. On 22nd, the selection criteria. On 25th, the competition is to be held. Okay, that's it. This is very easy, easiest. Okay, so that is all about notice, right? So I hope that was easy for you to understand. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. The format of formal and informal letters and email writing is already uploaded. Go take a look. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.